Yo, stocks 5150. Today is 5:25 and the time is 9:11. So we're just gonna say is 0900 9:11. Crazy. Anyway, Memorial Day. So the UK market is closed and the US market is closed. So what we had was Asia session ran last night. And if we look here, I'm in an order right now. I'm in a position. And I am at the moment down $49. I was down as much as $100 earlier. So I'm gonna explain to you why I'm in this position. So I'm open here on the daily chart. Let's slide this over here. All right. So what we had, this is the daily, this is the move we had overnight. You can see the range was from the open was 29 29,934 and the close at the moment is 30,000. So we are moving up. And what I'm in is a short. Why, you might ask? Well, let's take a look. So we can see here, this is yesterday. I mean, this was the 22nd. We gapped up. So you can kind of see that. You don't see it's not as pronounced. It's not as pronounced on here. This yellow line right here is the point of control from a volume profile, right? So just looking at that on the daily as to why I would be short here is to play back down towards the point of control, right? And remember, this is my September contract, so this is a swing trade. This is the one I've been struggling with, but still trying. All right, so anyway, let's go to the 4 hour and take a look and see what we got. All right, so you can see we're down 49 at the moment. Mm, not bad. Like I said, was like at 100. I went into this position, look at the activity. Entered this position, I went short here at 10 p.m. last night. So this is an overnight trade. Again, yes, because Asia session. All right. On my other one, I sold two and boom, it hit. So I got my 50 bucks. So, but this one kind of went, I got it in a little late, is what happened. You see what I'm saying? But whatever. So, all right. So we have 49 right now on the short side. So if we look at this, just looking at the volume profile, bring this down. We're bouncing. We kind of rolled this 5 EMA right on up. And that's where we are. Now, looking at it from like I said, this is a gap because on the 22nd, the price ended down here. And as you can see, there's a gap up. You can see it better when I go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour chart, you see where we're down, coming down on the 22nd. We're retraced, boom, and then we gapped up, bam, just like that. So when we opened up today or last night at 1800, the market, bam, shot up. Look at that, hadn't stopped. Now, I went short here because I was looking at this and thinking it was okay, it's curling over. So we should be retracing at least to come back down to here, 50% mark. So far, not yet, but that's where I'm sitting. And if we break below this level, looking at we building out some volume, but that's kind of equal right there, and that's why we just been flat. Like the red is the sales and the blue is the buys, and it has just plotted along flat last all night. Like, but I said, if we break below this 14 EMA and come on down, it's not much going on here, so we could fall, or actually we could hit here and bounce right here. It's possible and continue higher. But what I would like to see is us to retrace, come back down. It would be perfect if we close that gap. Now, I don't know. We might hit here, and that'd be good too. But so that's where I'm sitting at on that order. And that'll bring 371. Won't get rich, but it'll be a plus. So right now, It's on the 1 hour. Like I said, we just trended flat, trended sideways all night. So consolidating. So we had one, two, three, boom, bam. See, that's when I went in right there. That doji, I figured, okay, we're at the top after this move, and we'll fall back down. Plus, I'm like, well, tomorrow the markets will be closed, but we'll see what happens. I think I got a mosquito in my house and bite me. Um, go to the 15 minute, take a look at it. Same thing. You can see the gap on the 15 minute. Huge gap. Now gaps always fill, they say, but it's just a matter of when they fill. And you never know when a gap's gonna fill. But we're playing this back to the downside. This is a short that we're in right now. We're playing it back down. So we're looking at our confluence. And what we're looking at is we want to break below this moving average, come down, fill this space right here, and just drop out and land right there. And then we'll be green. Now I could be greedy and we can fill that gap, but I don't. It's a lot of volume right here. So you want to look here. Be careful. It could fill, but not sure when that'll be. It won't be. It might be tomorrow. It might not. It might be 2 years from now. Who knows? But most gaps fill. It's just whether or not you got the capital to stay solvent. So there we go. That's all I'm saying about that. Stocks 5150 in a short and a gap fill play, and basically playing counter trend. And we are in blue sky territory too right now. Like this is the highest we've been. If we go back and look at it on the daily, look at this. This market is wild. It is crazy. Bam, popping. It is popping, yo. But we're playing this back down towards the point of control on the daily chart, higher time frame, and then 4 hours, same thing. Playing it back down to the PLC, 15, curling, need to be back down. That's all I got. Stocks 5150, yo. Go out, enjoy yourself. I don't know, man. Rest in peace. Have a cookout, whatever you do with your life. Stocks are crazy. We are bouncing. We got 2 more hours before the market closes officially. Actually, no. How much time do we have? Because this is Asia session. I forgot. So Asia closed. Asia closed at 6 o'clock. So right now, what is open? Nothing. Yeah, something's open. I'm not sure what's making the market move right now. But whatever, man. That ain't what this video is about. We'll have a cookout. Enjoy yourself. Stocks 5150. Playing a gap fill back to the downside. Let's go. Peace. All right, so I was recording, making a video about that. So, as far as the stream goes, uh, that's where we at on that. We're gonna stream now. We're gonna log in on TikTok and stream, see what's popping with them. See what's popping everywhere. What's popping everywhere.